Yo, what's happening, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back. Let me just change my mic over here. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the live, guys. Let me know in the chat. Hope you guys are doing well. I did actually post a setup in the live stream. I mean, in the Telegram groups, guys. CHZ long. I think this thing's gonna rip today. I think this thing's gonna pump really hard. Yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know how you are today. Let me know what's happening. I'm quite long, guys. I'm long on CHZ right here. You can see the position. I'll show you guys in just a second. I'm only long on CHZ and Bonk right now. I know that Boris did post a long for Bonk. Yes. So these are my positions right now. Yeah. So this is currently what's happening. So long on Bonk, and then long on CHZ. What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you guys' thoughts on the market? I think we're bullish there again, guys. We're gonna see a lot of coins actually rip. I will be looking at a few coins actually in the lab that I'm thinking about taking along, right? So yeah, let me know what you guys are thinking. I think that Bonk's gonna do really well today. And then also CHJ looks really good. So these are the two trades that I'm currently in. Did you close your Bitcoin short? Yes, I did. I closed my short at 62,600. That is exactly what I was talking about yesterday, right? Oh, it looks like Cardano's ripping here. Yeah. I was looking at a short for Cardano yesterday, but it looks like we're breaking the high. So have a look at this, guys. This is gonna rip today. I think we've already missed it though. That was a breakout this morning. So I don't really want to jump into this right now. I don't really want to jump into this right now, but this thing's gonna rip, guys. This thing's breaking out on the daily time frame. We might have to wait. I don't really want to wait for this because I think it's just gonna absolutely, it's gonna pump really hard. But there's gonna be a lot of trades in the session. I can literally see so many coins that want to pump, guys. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome, guys. We got Sashant here. We got Moro. We got Mario. Thanks so much, guys. Good morning. If you guys want me to go over any coins, let me know. We did post a setup for CHZ in the Telegram group this morning, and have a look at this trade, guys. I think this thing is gonna pump really hard. We have a beautiful breakout here on the 4-hour time frame. We broke out over here, and also the daily time frame. This is why I went long on CHZ this morning, right? And I'm gonna be looking to take profit at this 200-day moving average. So I did send this in the group. So I hope you guys did take this trade. We are currently long on both here. So Bonk and CHZ. I know that Boris did actually send that long for Bonk. So yeah, we're currently long on both there. I'm actively looking for some other trades for the day. So make sure you guys put the coins you want me to go over in the chat so we can potentially get some setups. Okay. Make sure you guys do that. I'm gonna be looking at Bitcoin Cash because I remember yesterday we tried to long it and then I got stopped out. But I still think that it could rip. So we'll definitely look at that for the day. But yeah, everything is looking good. I hope you guys are doing well. Looks like the market really wants to carry on today. So let's see what happens. So let's go back to the chart here. Bonk, like I said, guys, this thing's gonna rip back up to 0 point these levels here. So like another 20%. We got a very good entry yesterday. I was in a lot of drawdown actually last night because I went live on this guy's show. I'll show you guys. Last night he was doing like this meme coin show, right? I'll show you guys now. It was actually quite fun. And then everyone was speaking about meme coins, and then I was pretty much just speaking about the market. So it was quite weird. But this was the link. Let me just grab it for you guys. Hold on 1 second. Yeah, so this was I mean, there was only 650 people, but it was really cool. If you guys want to watch this, they speak about all these sick memes. That was funny. He's the owner of Smoking Bono Dog. So a lot of cool meme coins here. The one coin that I actually got in last night was this one, Dogs of Elon. The founder actually came on and he was speaking about it, and it looked really, really good. So there was a couple meme coins. Make sure you guys check the show out. Really, really cool. And then I only came in a little bit later. I was speaking about that short for Bitcoin that we took. That's take profit at around about 60, 62, 627. It literally hit take profit and then bounced straight away. It was really, really good trade. Yeah, so let's see what we got today, guys. So we are long on CHZ right now. We are long on Bonk. And let's have a look at what you guys are giving. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome, guys. We got 17 people in here. I'd love to get the likes a little bit up. MNT looks good. Let's have a look at MNT. I think I've looked at this before, but I haven't really. Oh, yeah. So MMT looks really, really good here. So let's have a look at the daily time frame. This thing's about to rip. I think a lot of coins today are going to rip hard, guys. Is it too late to enter world and people? I'll have a look at that now. But yeah, look at MNT. This thing broke out, right? It literally just broke out of this channel. So this was that setup. This is really, really clean. So what I'd wait for here, if you want to long this coin, I'd wait for a retest of this level, and then we'll probably look to take out. We have two levels here, this high over here, and then we have another high right over here. So this would be the setup for MNT. A stop loss will just be below. I'll probably put it just below there, and the TPs would be as follows. Okay, so MNT looks good. What do you think about Simon Cat meme coin? I'll go over that as well. 6 million YouTube subs. Okay. I'll have a look at that. As well. So MMT, I think the 4-hour time frame looks good. The 1 hour looks good. I mean, this is a breakout. You could potentially just long it at current market price and just put your stops a little bit lower. It looks really, really good. This looks like a good trade. So I mean, I'm not going to take this because it's not on CoinW, but MMT looks good and it looks like it wants to pump. It does look like it wants to pump. All right. So that's MMT. What are your thoughts? Yeah. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new, we go live every single day. We take trades every single day. We just we've been doing well recently. Been taking beautiful setups. So yeah, make sure you guys are joining the lives. So I'll have a look at the cat coin now because no one really has any other. The real coins. Okay. Yeah. I just want to quickly speak about Bitcoin. And then we'll get into. This was that trade, right, from yesterday. We took a short. A beautiful reaction, right? We took a short yesterday from 64 280, and then we took profit at this level here, around about 62 627. This is on CoinW. I think it went to 37, and I just manually closed it. But Bitcoin, honestly speaking, guys, I think Bitcoin has the potential to break the 64,000 level today. Everything's looking really, really good for the market right now, even for Bitcoin. And also remember, as long as Bitcoin goes sideways, like if it just bounces between 64,500 and 62,600, we're going to see the altcoins rip. And the reason why we're going to see the altcoins rip is because the total three dominance, guys, the total three market is just looking absolutely bullish at. So this is what I've been speaking about. We had that massive breakout, and even yesterday, we got a candle close respecting that 608 level. And I've been speaking about the 608 level because basically this chart shows you the market cap of all the altcoins except for Bitcoin and ETH. And you can see right now that we are absolutely looking really, really bullish. And honestly, on the 4-hour time frame, this is a beautiful closure here. And it's actually going to start pumping really, really soon. So I think we can definitely start to look at some longs for some coins here, because once we start breaking above this high over here, even on the 30 minutes, we're going to see quite a big rip. Okay, so keep that in mind. This is looking good. I want to actually put an alert here because once we break this previous level here, we're going to see a lot of altcoins pump even harder today. So we're gonna check obviously the some of the coins now. So people are asking for SWE, and then we got Big Time and Beam. Okay, let's have a look at SWE. I know SWE is retracing, but remember SWE has been pumping a lot harder than most coins for a while, right? Do you guys remember? I was looking for that long over here and just didn't really get it. So if we look at SWE, like on the 4-hour time frame on the daily, looks really good. I'm looking at potential retracements for SWE potentially today. If we can potentially come down a little bit low over here, something like this, we could open up a long at this level. Because it looks really bullish right now. To be honest with you, it looks really clean. But I'm not going to take a long right now when we're sitting at these levels. Okay. So what I would wait for is I'll go down to the 4-hour time frame. I'll go down to the 1 hour and I'll see what's happening here. But essentially, right now, I'll probably just wait for a retest of this previous high over here. So I'm not going to be entering a long anytime soon for SWE. I'll wait for a retracement and then look for something like this. I mean, it's a 10% move. So we'll see if we can get that a little bit later. Beam, Prime, Super, or should we stay away from gaming for now? No, I think gaming is the way right now. Let's have a look. I think gaming, we're getting a bit of a cycle through gaming because mainly what we're seeing the meme coins at Bonk. This is why we took a long yesterday. And what I was saying, the meme coins, like with all of them have started pumping, but Bonk didn't really do much, right? Which is why we actually took a long yesterday for it. So I think gaming, you can see that Gala, all these other coins. Let's have a look here. Yeah, I think gaming could be the way. Let's have a look at Super as well. We'll run through all of them. Don't worry. I think if coins are breaking out, then it's a good opportunity to get in, right? So I think we're gonna definitely get a trade for the day here. So I think SWE right now just not really interested. Let's have a look at Big Time. Let's have a look at Big Time. You can see also Big Time not really moving much right now. But it looks decent, right? This was at massive. So total 3 is crossing, which means we're going to be bullish today. Okay, so let's have a look at Big Time. Basically, yeah, to be honest with you, the structure looks a little bit weird, but it's looking like it wants to break out. It does look like it wants to break out. To be honest with you, what I'd wait for is something like this. For now, I just don't really see a long opportunity. I would wait for a break of this previous high over here. So something like this where we can break above here, then we can look for a long back up to these zones. But I think this would be a good position for the day. I don't know if we'll get it. Yeah, 17%. I think Big Time could pump, guys. And your stop loss can be so tight. This is gonna be a 1:6 risk to reward. So this is kind of looking good, guys. This is kind of looking good here. So Big Time, I'll let you know when I jump into this one. But I want to see a break of this level first. And we're going to see a break of that level. And yeah, let's see if we can get that. Let's see if we can get that for Big Time. I'll wait for that. But for now, just going to chill out and really take that trade right now. Okay, so Big Time looks good. What else we got over here? Beam. Let's have a look at Beam. I think Beam is ripping. I think Beam ripped quite hard. Yeah, so I've actually bought quite a lot of this coin. I don't know if you guys remember, I bought at this level over here, on the breakout over here, up around about 28%. And look how beautiful this is looking, guys. We are coming straight back above this 200-day moving average. So this 200-day moving average is so important for Beam, right? Once we actually start closing above this point, we should see quite a nice rip to the upside. So honestly speaking, Beam looking really clean for the day. It looks really good. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have actually just tapped into the resistance zone right now. So we're gonna have to watch out for that. Obviously, not really interested in taking a long for Beam right now because we're at such a strong resistance zone. But what I'd look at is potentially to get long on the retracement here. So basically, this was at that breakout that we had this morning, right? This was that breakout right over there. So essentially, I mean, you could have looked at that this morning. That was so clean. Didn't really see that. But what I'll wait for is I'll wait for price to come back down to the zone over here. Then I'll set up a long to go higher. If this doesn't happen, because there's a lot of bullish momentum right now for this coin. But yeah, this is something that I would get in. I wouldn't take a long right now for Beam. Just doesn't make sense. We would have to wait for that retracement, if you get what I'm saying. So Beam looks good. Put these levels on your chart, guys. Put these levels on your chart, because these levels are really, really important, right? I don't just speak about them. You put them into action, right? So whenever I put up a trade or like a chart that potentially we're not going to take now, I would suggest just putting it on your own chart so you can look at it later, because all these things I speak about are still valid for the day. Okay, so Beam looks super, super nice. Super, super good. Oh, big time. Big time's crossing, yeah. We might even get a trade here for big time. Okay. Okay, guys, get ready. Get ready, get ready. I'm gonna get my coin W ready over here. Let's search here. I don't know. This account is quite a small account, but I'm trying to run it up. I'm gonna get ready for this trade here for big time. We're gonna go long in big time very, very soon. We've analyzed why we want to go long in big time. It's breaking out of such a crucial level. And I do think that this could rip, because like I was saying, guys, I think most coins are diversifying. We're going to see Gala actually probably rip. I'll look at Gala as well, because I think Gala and all these GameFi tokens are ready, guys, are ready to rip here. So I'm not going to wait for the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to wait for this 15 minutes. So we're going to have to wait a little bit longer, another 13 minutes, so we can look at some other coins for now. We can look at some other coins for now, but please remind me to go back to big time in 13 minutes, guys, because I might forget and I don't want to miss the setup. So let's put another alert. I mean, just remind me, if you guys can remind me in the chat, that'll be amazing, because this is looking really clean. All right, what other coins we got for the day? Could you look at Beam, Prime, and Super? Yeah, let's have a look at Prime. But guys, big time's looking good. We're going to take that trade in this live stream. So make sure you guys stay until the end. We'll take it in 15 minutes time. 15 minutes time. So just chill out and just relax. So look at Prime. So Prime's looking Prime. To be fair, guys, this is textbook. Okay. If you guys are looking at this is textbook. This is a beautiful trade. What I'll be looking at, I mean, I'll probably enter long right now. The reason why is because we are back above this 200-day moving average. We have broken so many key levels here. This is your resistance / support over here. We have pretty much retested that perfectly. The next key level is going to be, let's actually have a look at this, right? Let's take from the high to the low over here. I mean, we could see a rip back up to this level here. What is that? Guys, Prime has another 50% to 74% move here. So get ready for that. Guys, Prime looks really, really good. I'll be looking at spot buys even for today. I think that this thing's going to rip. It's above such a key level, the 200-day moving average, where most coins are still below the 200-day moving average. So I'll probably chuck like a 2x leverage or like a 3x leverage on this coin, and then just let it ride out. Which looks really good. Prime looks really good. I love how the chart's looking. Okay. What else we got here? We got Super. I think everything's just looking good today, guys. Most coins are ripping. Yeah, most coins are ripping. I think Prime's a good one to hold, guys. Prime's a good one to hold. It seems like my Wi-Fi is just not working. Yeah. Just give it a minute. Just give it a minute. Hey Dylan, what's up? Can you check Floki and XRP? Of course. I'll check that out. And I haven't forgot about the cat coin. I'll go back to that. I don't know why this is not working though. Yeah, Prime for spots. Honestly speaking, like this is such a good spot hold. I mean, look at that breakout. And you're still early. You have another 114% to go. Like this thing's probably going to rip in the next 2 days. It's literally broken above the 200-day moving average. Most coins, guys, are still below the 200-day moving average. Like, it's absolutely crazy. So when a coin, you can see whenever we're above the 200-day moving average, we see a huge pump. Like, look at this, right? So Prime, I think buying Prime now is a really good move. Really good move. So if you guys want to get involved here, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm actually gonna buy some right now. Where can I buy this actually? Let's actually have a look. Where can we buy this? I don't think we can on CoinW though. Yeah. Where can we buy this? We got Gates, BingX. Oh, we can. Okay, I'm gonna buy some on CoinW. Okay, I'm gonna buy some on CoinW. Beautiful. Okay, Prime. We're gonna buy some Prime. Prime looks Prime. It's on CoinW. Perfect. I'm gonna buy some now. Just give me 1 second. I think this thing's gonna rip. Honestly, guys, this thing's gonna pump. This thing's gonna pump hard. Like, look how beautiful the chart's looking. I'm literally gonna buy some run. Just give me 1 second. So Prime, yeah, exactly. Prime's Prime. Just give me 1 second. We need to chuck this in here and you buy some. Okay. Okay, I just bought some. Just bought some, guys. Not telling you what to do yet, but Prime looks super good. Okay. So what else we got? Super. Maybe it's working now. There we go. Don't know what was happening earlier. Let's have a look at Super. I think Super probably looks really clean. Let's have a look here. Yeah, look at the daily, right? Let's look at the weekly quickly. Okay, so the weekly kind of looks average. Yeah, I think for Super, not really interested. We've got too many levels right over here. Like, I think the level that I would have wanted to get in on Super would probably just be over here. Sorry, let's draw this in a little bit better. Yeah, this would be in the level. Look at that breakout over here. But yeah, right now Super just at a resistance zone. Not really interested. Not really interested in Super right now. But if we can somehow take this level here at 1.13. So what I'm looking at is potentially something like this, where we could potentially get a nice little breakout. But if you have conviction in this, excuse me, if you have conviction in this play, I do think that it can rip. So yeah, so I think I know Super is a good coin as well. Prime's pumping right now. Watch, this thing's gonna rip. We're gonna come back tomorrow, and then this thing is probably gonna be here. Honestly, guys, I think that tomorrow we're probably gonna see Prime sitting at 13. I think this thing's gonna rip. Yeah, 26%. I think this is great for spot. Let's have a look at Floki and XRP. Also going back to big time. I don't think big time is gonna break out just right now. Let's have a look though. Let's have a look at big time. Big time, big time. If we don't get big time in this live, we probably will though, because I like how this is looking. It's just not ready yet. So remember, we only take the trade when it's ready. I'm not going to take the trade when it's respecting trend. For me, that just doesn't make sense because this can just chop around, right? We need a break out of this trend over here. So not ready yet. We're going to put another alert, and then I'll let you know once we're ready. Okay. So big time, not ready just yet. So just give it a minute. It's really important. Yeah, I was looking at a long for Solana this morning. Like I literally I was about to post it, but I want to see if because we had that breakout. Right? I'll show you. This is what I was looking at. I didn't actually take this trade, but I was looking at this trade this morning, and I didn't actually take it. But Solana is probably going to rip today, guys. Solana is probably going to rip. And I just think the entry right now is it's not really where I want it to be. So what I'd probably wait for is, you can see there's a bit of a trend line coming up like this. So if we can come down a little bit, it'll be amazing. I don't want to jump in right now, guys. I don't want to jump in right now. But essentially what I want to do is something like this. where we can come down a little bit. But I think Solana's on rips there. We can probably break this previous high. I think we're going to break this previous high. So we're going to add an alert there for Solana 184. We're going to put it up a little bit higher just in case we do miss it. Okay. So we got an alert there for Solana. I think Solana's going to pump today, guys. Solana looks ready. Solana looks ready. What else we got going over here? We want XRP, right? Yeah, let's have a look at the XRP. XRP kind of just been chilling, you know. XRP just not really doing much. It's all to do with XRP is so fundamental, guys. It's price action on XRP just doesn't even work. It's all to do with the law case, everything like that, and it's the lawsuit. Sorry, and honestly, like they've just not really been doing well. They had to pay massive fines and everything like that. So I think, but I do think longing XRP with like a 2x or a 5x every single day is probably the plan. Because once XRP wins the lawsuit, guys, XRP is going to pump like 100 to 200%. So, but right now, not really ready. It's been creating lower lows and lower highs. You know, we need to see a break of that level. So just not ready just yet. Okay? Not ready just yet. But that is nothing to worry about because we will be looking at some other setups. Yeah, what else we got? What else we got? Floki. Let's have a look at Floki. But everything looks looking decent. Like everything is looking decent. I'm not gonna lie. Floki pumping. Meme coins is gonna pump there. Let's have a look at Floki. Yeah, this was my setup for Floki a couple of days ago. Didn't really get it right. I was waiting for it. I had a limit order set for Floki because we had that breakout, right? And then that retest for that fib. Just missed it though. Just missed it. Yeah, I think right now we have resistance for Floki. You know, it's just I don't really want to be taking longs. I don't think it's worth it for Floki. Really missed the entry, so I think we just focus on some other coins for the day. I think we just focus on some other coins for the day. Okay, so I hope you guys understand that some coins there we just can't take longs. You know, it's quite evident that we're seeing a bit of a push here. So like what I want to look at is coins that aren't really ripping right now, like Aave. I think Aave's already had that massive run up. Like let's have a look here. So Sweet, looked at Sweet. Let's have a look at HBAR because HBAR was trying to pump yesterday, and also Chainlink as well. Okay, let's go back. Let's have a look at HBAR. Let's have a look at HBAR, and then I'll have a look at the cat coin now. Sorry, man. I actually my attention span is very low. Sometimes I literally forget about things very quickly. So just I'll remind myself, don't worry. So HBAR basically, yeah, I mean, I think HBAR is a great coin to hold. I mean, even if you buy it now, you're looking at a huge increase. Like HBAR can easily run up to all-time high. I think, you know, you're buying at such a discount. Even over here, I mean, look at the risk to reward here. It's absolutely crazy. Like HBAR is the one that you should be looking at. Like, I don't know. I love HBAR as a coin. But for the setups for the day, you know, it's quite simple. We want to look at the lower time frames here. We want to wait for a breakout, something like that. But not ready just yet, right? Not ready just yet. We'll wait for something like this. Bit of a bull flag though, like, to be fair. Oh, what's that? I don't know what that was. Bit of a bull flag, yeah. Oh, this is looking so clean. Okay, so HBAR, guys. HBAR is so ready. HBAR is so ready. We're looking at a push back up to these levels. We're going to wait for a breakout, of course. We're looking at a 5% move here. Wish. 5% move here. Okay, so HBAR is almost ready. HBAR is really close here. So get ready for the. I mean, I think it's about a rip. I think there's Vol on Mexi Cat. Okay, yeah, let's have a look at it now. But HBAR, guys, It looks so clean. So we're gonna put an alert here on the breakout. Like I want to catch all these trades today. I'm not. I want to be in because we right now we're only in two long positions. We in these two positions. We in a long for bonk and a long for chills. But I want to be in a lot more positions for the day. Okay, so that's gonna be the plan. It's gonna be the plan for the day. Let's run it up. Let's look at cat quickly. Thanks so much for joining, guys. It seems like we're getting a lot more people in here. If you guys could like the stream and comments and all of that, it does help people get here. I think this channel is growing consistently on a daily basis. It has taken a lot of time for people to get involved, but I also think people will be coming. The retail right now is still low, right? A lot of people are will only come once Bitcoin hits 70K. You know, like that's what happens with retail. So if you getting these prices right now for most of these coins, guys, I think you're looking really good. So cat, is this the one, right? Is it Simon's cat? Let me know. I think it's Simon's cat. Did you say it? Yeah, Simon's cat. That's the one. It's only let's have a look. Let's have a look. I mean, the market cap's quite high. Oof, but it looks like it wants to break out. It did actually break out on the 1 hour, guys. It broke out on the one. Ooh, okay. Simon's cat looks absolutely amazing. I see what you're saying here. It literally just broke out 1 hour ago. It literally just broke out 1 hour ago. So Simon's cat looks absolutely amazing. To be fair, so essentially, you know, this is what I'll be looking at. You know, it's not really that much. Looking at a 15% move back up to all-time high, but you know, it broke out. It literally just broke out. So I'm not too sure what this cat or what it's about. But I mean, if you just look at the TA on it, I mean, doing TA on meme coins is not always as accurate as like other coins, but it does obviously you do obviously get breakouts and stuff like that. So cat looks really good. I'll be looking at longing this. I mean, if you can actually put a leverage on this, I'll probably jump in on like a 5x. A 5x leverage on this looks really good. So cat looks good for positions. I want to show you this coin, Dogs of Elon, quickly. This is the coin that the founder actually was speaking about it last night, and I was looking at it. I haven't actually bought any, but their project looks insane, guys. He was speaking about it last night. It was absolutely really good. So the founder actually came on the show last night and he was speaking about this. And you're looking at it, you know, sub two. I mean, look how nice the price action is looking. It was sitting over here last night, but this is looking really good. I would have a look at this if I was you. It's a really low market cap right now. Dogs of Elon, guys. Their community is so active. I looked at their Telegram. You know what's nice about this token? It's only community based, so it can't get rubbed. So basically, it's only for community. And how you know that is you can actually look at. I'll show you. You can look at the holders at the bottom over here. Let's have a look. Look at the holders. There's maximum 7%, but the rest are literally like, look at this. It's crazy. So there's literally all the holders. 58% of the holders are literally below that 0.2% region. So have a look at that. Like, I mean, check here. Everything below 58% are below like 0.85%. So it's only community based. This can't really get rugged. I mean, if you look at the channel, it's absolutely crazy. So Dogs of Elon, guys. This coin looks like it's going to absolutely rip in the bull market. So have a watch of this last night. Guys, watch this stream last night. If you want to come over here, the founder was speaking about it last night. This is when I went live a little bit later on the channel, speaking about Bitcoin and whatnot. But these guys were speaking about Dogs of Elon, and if you guys want to watch it, they have a huge community. I'm not trying to show their token. I just think it's a good token to look at. So Dogs of Elon looks absolutely amazing. And there was also another token for last night. I think yeah, this guy was so funny, bro. This guy, so he came in and he's like he's already like a stoner, like he smokes weed and stuff like that. But just listen to this guy speak. He started. Wait, yeah, yeah, yeah. This guy. So the whole point of his token, he had a dream. Okay, so it's called smoking boner dog. Right? It's the funniest thing ever. He had a smoke. He had a dream about a dog flying and in the sky. You must just listen to it. And his name is the dog told him his name was like Smoking Pete's. It's the funniest story, guys. You need to watch this. But I actually want to see how it's looking like. He's really like a stoner guy, but let's have a look. Smoking Boner Dog. Let's have a look here and see what it's looking like. Oh, pumped quite hard. It's a really low market cap, guys. I mean, you're sitting at 43K market cap. Let's have a look here. Sorry, stopped away for a second. Did we take that big time trade? Not yet. We're still waiting. We're still waiting. But we're gonna take it soon, soon, soon. We're gonna take that trade. What's happening here? The Wi-Fi is actually terrible. The Wi-Fi is absolutely terrible. Oh, you can't hear. What do you mean? Can you not hear me? Oh, you can't hear them speak. That's weird. Okay, my bad, my bad. Floki ripping again. Okay, yeah. Let's stop speaking about meme coins here, guys. Let's go back to the trades. My bad. So check Bonk. I mean, Bonk's absolutely ripping. I think Bonk's gonna come so hard. We super long on Bonk. We super long on Bonk. You can see over here we are up 77%. I put $1,000 on this trade and then I took some profits at like 50% or something like that. So my margin's only like 290 right now, but I took some profits a little bit earlier. I think Floki's gonna rip. What else are we looking at? That's bomb. Let's have a look at Floki. I know. Oh, yeah. The problem is, um, I don't like longing a coin. I want to long a coin like where we can come down and catch the whole move. I'm not saying that Floki's not going to pump, but I don't. I think it will. I think it will pump quite hard, but yeah, I'm just not can't really long at this price. Can't really long at this price. XRP, it's not really. What about Solana? Solana's almost. Remember, we're waiting for Solana to come down a little bit more here. And then big time, not really ready yet. Big time's not ready yet. Yeah. So just patience, guys. Patience at this point. Patience at this point. So not really interested. But Prime, I think Prime's gonna pump. I think this is gonna rip. I think this thing's gonna pump hard. I mean, we're looking at a huge move here. This is a massive breakout on the daily. So um, I think regardless if Bitcoin goes sideways or not, it's going to pump. So Cardano broke out as well. Cardano did break out. And yeah, I was speaking about this yesterday, and I was actually looking to short that level. I didn't actually end up taking it, but I mean, if you look at the daily, this thing's about to rip, but it's already so close to the 200-day moving average. I think it's still going to rip though. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Bitcoin Cash, yeah, Bitcoin Cash. Let's have a look at Bitcoin Cash. Because I remember we longed it yesterday. Actually ended up getting stopped up. Yeah, so this was that trade yesterday. There was a breakout. And then I did end up getting stopped out here. I thought that, if we can hold that level, that 344 level, we could see a rip. But it just wasn't ready, right? It wasn't ready. Just wasn't ready. But for now, let's have a look at it again. So let's have a look at Bitcoin Cash. If we look at the 4 hour quickly, the 4 hour closed. It looks really good. It looks really, really good. We closed respecting these wicks over here. The 1 hour time frame as well looks really, really good. Bang, something like this. 30-minute time frame. Nothing really interesting. I think what we need to see is we need to see a break of this high back up to these levels. For now, just not really interested in taking this for now. I have a look at Shiba as well. Have a look at Shiba. Let's have a look at Shiba. I know Boris just posted a trade for stock. Oh shit, Shiba. Oh my god. Yeah, this is crazy. This is looking really, really bullish. For me to take a long for Shiba, just can't really take it right here. I'd rather take the longs that we looked at earlier. Okay. Because big time could looks like big time could already we could be seeing that push, right? But I think we've missed Shiba, right? I don't think we can take this right now. Don't think we can take this right now. But yeah, I think Shiba is a good one to hold for the bull. And then also H bar, guys. This is gonna rip today. I've just got a good feeling about this one. Once we get a breakout over here, it's good. Looks good. So we're waiting for a couple trades. Let's see what happens. But yeah, everything looking like it wants to pump. Tired today. Tired. Always tired. Just having a look at if there's any questions over here. Reminder, big time. Yeah. Big time. Okay, no questions. Yeah, no questions. Got like 970 people watching here. Crazy. This is on CoinDubs. CoinDubs. Yeah, big time not ready yet. Prime looks good. Still looks good. But Solana, we're gonna wait for this as well. But remember, guys, the problem short on Shiba. No, I'm not gonna short Shiba. I'm not gonna short Shiba. There's no way I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna be doing that. There's no chance. Okay, Solana's almost ready here. We're getting a bit of retracement right now, which is good. But remember, guys, the problem with today is we have such angry news. So when I say angry, I don't mean like I'm angry. I just mean that it's really, really important. Yeah, Solana crossed. Okay, not yet ready. Okay, but we have final GDP at 4:30, which is going to be quite crazy. And then we have unemployment claims, and then we also have the Fed speaking a little bit later as well. So there's a bunch of news happening today. So just be careful with that. Just be careful with that. Let's go back to Solana. Solana's almost ready here. The problem is this resistance over here. I don't like that it didn't close above. Don't like that at all. I'll let you know if I jump in here. We are getting a bit of a retracement though, so let's just be patient here. Let's be patient. Remember, we don't want to be taking trades if we're not patient. Patience is the only way you can actually be profitable, right? Wait for the setup to come to you. Don't push it. Don't push it. I think we're looking at MMT. Yeah, honestly, guys, MMT still looks really, really good. If you wanna take this trade, you could even look for that reset. But I think this is a trade that will be great. Cardano as well. We're gonna wait for this. Like what I want to see now is potentially for Cardano. If we can get a retracement here, this will be amazing. So I'm gonna put an alert here for later. I think Cardano is gonna be a great one to long a little bit later on as well. Okay, so remember when I put these alerts on, just do the same thing on your chart, right? I'll probably, I do send the trades, of course, in the Telegram groups, but always just put your own alerts as well because it's really important. Big time, not ready, eh? Big time is not ready. Not ready just yet. We need to wait for a breakout. Not ready just yet. Cat, is cat pumping, eh? Cat pumping. Let's have a look at cat. Yo, I'm so hungry. Oh, someone just. Oh, check at that. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my god. Yeah, perfect entry. To be fair, beautiful. Love that. Love that. So cat ripping, yeah. I mean, it's a textbook trade. I mean, that's a trade you would take every day, right? This thing's definitely gonna pump to autumn out there. This thing's definitely gonna pump to autumn out there. We're seeing a lot of buying power coming here. Check it, this $6,000. I mean, it's 5,000. You know, it looks so clean. I mean, it's 28 grand. Obviously, they sold it, but a lot more buying coming in right now. Obviously, people selling a little bit, but it's small money. Beautiful. That was a good call, Moral. That was a great call. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name properly, but that was a great call. Well done. Nice. Love that. Oh, this thing's gonna pump. This thing's about to rip. Wait, check that volume spot. Oh my god. Oh my god. Good trade coming. Foxy. 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 The meme coin must be. Looks average. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, I'm not too sure. I don't really know much about this. Maybe. I mean, potentially like a breakout over here only, but it is a good trade coming. I mean, once we break above that level, I think buying now for Foxy could be a good one, but I don't really know much about it. I think, I'd rather wait for the breakout for that. Rather wait for the breakout. Okay. But yeah, guys, market's looking absolutely fire right now. We're getting a bit of a retracement. Let's have a look at the 5 minutes over here. We want to see which ones are dumping the most here. All right. H bar. Got it. Let's have a look at OP. OP and INJ. OP and INJ. OP and INJ. All right, let's come back. So we're waiting for this big time just parking. Prime, you guys, watch. Tomorrow you're gonna come to the live stream. Tomorrow you're gonna come to the live stream, and you're gonna be like, you're gonna be asking why you didn't buy Prime yesterday. So just watch this. I think this thing's gonna look at this chart. I mean, this thing looks so good. Nice. Basically, this is beautiful accumulation over here. bit of accumulation, bit of a breakout, retest. This thing's about to rip. Tomorrow it's probably going to be over here. I don't want to guarantee it, but I think this is going to pump. So good for the spot. If you can leverage trade this as well, probably put a 5x on it. 5x on this one. All right. I'm getting so sidetracked right now. I forgot even what I was looking at. I keep forgetting what I'm looking at. Solana, not ready yet, but I mean, we added demand zone right now. This is where you want to be longing. Yeah, I think longing Solana, yeah, is good. Let me have a look. 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 I want to see a deeper retracement though. I would love to see a deeper retracement. I want to see a retest of this trend line at least. We'll wait for that. We shall wait. Patience, guys. Patience. Patience. Remember, nothing happens if you run it up right now. You want price to come to your levels. If it doesn't come to your level, then whatever. But yeah, H bar is almost ready, guys. I kind of want to just long it together, to be fair, because I think this thing's gonna rip. The problem is you can see which H bar is so clean. This is like one of the cleanest bull flags I've ever seen in my life. I don't think we're gonna come back down here. Like that doesn't make sense. We're probably just gonna something like this. H bar looks so ready. Yeah. Yeah, I might even just take this. I think I might just front run this thing. I think this thing's gonna pump. Let's have a look at the 1 hour. Yeah, because look at this. We got support over here. If we want to be more accurate, we'll call this zone over here. Did we tap into the zone? Let's actually have a look. Not just yet. I'm gonna take a long soon, guys, for H bar. I'll post it in the Telegram as well. But I think H bar's gonna rip. H bar looks like it's really ready to rip here. Let's wait a little bit more for that entry that we want. We also have a bit of a trend line over here, which will correlate perfectly with what we're talking about. Okay, so we just need to wait a little bit longer, guys. A little bit longer. Wait for that break, and we're cruising. There was also another coin over here. What was it? I think it was Goon. Bomba. It was a cool show, guys. Like these Bomba have been grinding. Like they've been grinding for like 3 years, and throughout the whole bear market, they literally just been building their project. So their whole team is doxed as well. This project over here, ePepe is like a run up of Pepe. Look decent, but let's have a look. ePep. What is it? ePep. It looked average, but I think the community is quite good. Yeah, I mean, you're sitting at a 300K market cap. I mean, this is a support, right? I mean, if this thing pumps back up to all-time high, you're cruising, I think it went, yeah, like look at this entry. I don't know. These are some of the plays you could look at, guys. You're buying at a 300K market cap. If you have some extra cash, like honestly, if you have some extra cash over here, like you watch the interview that they did last night. Watch this, guys. These guys were speaking about it, and I think that most of the coins that they were speaking about last night have such a good opportunity. So just have a look at that. Am I in the H bar trade? Not just yet, not just yet. Waiting, waiting. We are waiting. Waiting. I'll let you know. We're gonna take it so soon. Yeah, we're gonna take it so soon. Almost there. Normally, I love to take trades like at the beginning of the live stream. I hate it when we take it towards the end because I feel like most of the time I'm wasting your guys' time. But I hope it does add value to what I'm saying. That is the main point. Oh, Prime's pumping. Check at this. Guys, Prime's gonna pump here. Look at this. This thing is gonna rip up. I honestly think that this thing's gonna go to the moon. I love how this is retested at that 200-day moving average. That is amazing. Put a limit on H bar. No. We're gonna take it live here. We're gonna take it live. Just give it a second. The leverage for H bar. Okay, so remember leverage. We calculate based on stop loss. So I'm gonna have a stop just below here. So 1.4%. Probably just gonna use. Yeah, I mean we're gonna use a 15x for this one. 15x. Get ready for this. So it's gonna be absolutely crazy. H bar's gonna pump today. Watch. Along CHZ this morning. CHZ still looks really good. We got a good entry. If I look at the chart right now, bearish divergence. That's not good. Don't really like indicators, but that is not a good sign. Let's have a look here. Let's see how it reacts here. If we can react with this 50, this 0.5% fib, we should be fine. Should be good. Should be good. Just waiting for this trade as well. H bar. I think H bar is gonna root up. If you guys are new to the channel, appreciate it. If you guys could like and subscribe, it would be amazing. We've got 25 people watching. If we can get this up to around about 20 likes, that would be amazing. It does help me for the long run. So, and obviously, if I do add value, it would be easier if you could like it. But yeah, no pressure. It's not hard though. No pressure, but not hard. Okay, so H bar almost ready, guys. H bar is almost ready. Just be ready. Be ready. Yeah, Mario's the king. This man's always young. Always young. I appreciate you, bro. I do appreciate it. We're gonna be patient, yeah, guys. Patience is definitely the way. H bar is really close to entry. Really close, yeah. Started to form a bit of an uptrend, yeah. So we should be golden soon, yeah. Should be golden. And then big time is not ready. Big time might just take a couple hours. Your live time suits really good with my time, so I can always join. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah. I think whenever I go live during this time, it does. I want to try. I do want to try go live 2 times a day just so I can build this channel a lot quicker. But I mean, yesterday I went live like 5 times. I only got to bed at like almost like 1 a.m. because it was crazy. I went live on this guy's show last night, and because he's from like the UK or the US or something, it just the timing didn't really work. But Doesn't matter. Oh, we got 20 likes. Amazing. Yeah, you guys are legends. You guys are legends. I do appreciate it. Okay. So H bar, almost ready, guys. I'm not going to leave until we get into this trade, so don't stress. Relationship. Sol came down. Oh yeah, Solana. Let's have a look at Solana. Let's have a look. Solana did come down. You are right. It's in our box. It is in our box. I just don't like this double top here for Solana, to be honest with you. Bit of a double top. The 4 hour time frame, we close nicely above that high. We could even retest a little bit lower here, but I think this entry is good because on the 15, let's have a look here. Let's analyze this a bit more here on the lower time frames. Yeah, so on the lower time frames, we can see that yeah, we're still holding this 5-minute level. Yeah, I'm gonna take a long here for Solana, guys. We're gonna long Solana here. Stop loss is gonna be quite tight. I mean, it's a 0.5% stop, so you can use 20x for this one. Let me post this in the chat. Let me post this in the chat. So we're gonna long Solana, like right now. Let me just post this. Let me post this in the chat. Okay, longing Solana, guys. Longing Solana. Okay, so basically, I think this is clean. I think this is clean. I think it's clean. I want to post this out quickly. Yeah, we're in Solana. Yeah, we're in Solana. Yeah, we're in Solana. I need to post this. So just give me a second. I took it. I took it. I took it. Fuck. Where's? Sorry. Yeah. Sometimes I just swear. Just excuse me. Probably get banned eventually. But yeah, we long Solana, guys. We long Solana. That was a good call. I'm gonna post this in the chat. Long Sol now. Stop loss is tight. We got a stop loss very tight here, at around about 150.23. So using a 20x on this one. 150.23, and then TP. We know, like I said, we're looking at that 153, that previous high, 153.85. Yeah, 153.85. Leverage 20x. Say 15 to 28. 28. Okay, so that's Solana. Beautiful. All right. Okay, we finally got a trade. Took a minute. Did take a minute. Sorry, not a minute. Took an hour. Did take an hour. But looks good. Looks good. So make sure you put your stop loss in, your take profit in, all of that nice stuff. Make sure you put that in, guys. Make sure you put that in. H bar. I think H bar is ready as well. Let's jump into H bar. Where's H bar? H bar. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I'm a long H bar. I think this is clean. I'm anticipating a break. Let me have a look and see. Has it hit our entry? That's the main thing. It seems like it's not loading up here. This is the wrong one. H bar. Yeah, here we go. It is the right one. Don't know where our TA went. I'm not sure. It's a bit annoying. I don't want to redraw everything. H bar. I don't know if it was this one. Maybe it was this one. I'm pretty sure it can't just go away like that. It's not really moving anyway, so it's fine. Oh, here we go. It's this one. I think. Yeah. Okay, not ready yet. Yeah. Not ready just yet. Not ready just yet. I got tagged in at 0.5814 for H bar. 0.5814. Yeah, I think it's clean. I think it's clean. We're gonna see a retest over here. I just want to see if we can come down a little bit lower here. But it looks good. It looks good. I will be long at H bar in just a second. So Prime's gonna pump, guys. Prime's gonna pump. Watch. I think Prime tomorrow we're gonna come back at 20%. I can almost guarantee that. Not really, but not really, but you know what I mean. Big time also. Wait, we can't miss big time as well. We can't miss big time as well. My laptop's so laggy. I've got so many tabs open. It's actually a joke. It's actually a joke. Big time's not ready. Yeah, I can't take a long here. We have low support. Doesn't make sense. Okay. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream, guys. I really want to stay longer, but like I haven't eaten since this morning. So is it too late to buy a bit of prime spots? No. Prime's chilling. Prime's chilling. I don't think so. You still earlier, brother. You still earlier. I think this thing's gonna rip. Look at this thing. It looks so good. I mean, since I bought it, I'm already up like 3%, but still looks great. I think Prime's gonna rip. Watch tomorrow. You're gonna come back to the stream, and it's gonna be ripping. It's gonna be ripping. I've seen that pattern so many times with trading. It happens on the lower time frames. It happens on the higher time frames. But when it happens on the higher time frames, there's so much more confluence, and the probability that it actually plays out is way higher. So it's a good setup, guys. And also it's on spot. The risk is not as nearly as close as when you're opening up some leverage, right? So yeah, I mean, I'm not saying yeah, I'll go buy it, but I think it's a good project. It looks really clean. And yeah, we'll speak about it tomorrow. So don't stress. I'll always speak about Prime. I love Prime now. I'm gonna buy some Prime just now from the stores. Are we doing H bar? Thanks to appreciate the time, bro. Having a thriving Thursday. Yeah, exactly. Can't wait for Friday though. To be honest with you, Friday I'm gonna chill tomorrow. We're gonna go live, of course, but we're gonna relax. Yeah, how's the day doing? It's been good. Been a good day. Are we gonna go long on H bar? I think it's a good setup, guys. I just want to see if we can come down a little bit lower here. It's gonna tag us soon. I don't want to leave the stream until we get tagged over here. But yeah, if we can get those likes up, guys, got 26 people watching. If we can get 26 likes, then that would be amazing. That would be amazing. So let's just patience for H bar. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't know what I'm gonna eat today. I found this sick place like close to where I am. Makes the best sandwiches, and you can actually choose what you want. Because most sandwiches, some of the things you have in the sandwich isn't that nice, So this one you can actually choose what you want. I know that doesn't sound like so special, but it tastes amazing. And you get a drink with it, which is prime. I'm gonna be using the word prime so much. Within the next couple of streams, you'll see it. So just get used to it. Okay, we close. It's about to hit you. It's about to hit you. Big time was close as well. Big time's close as well. I'll take it on stream so you guys can check as well, of course. Okay, we got entered, yeah. We're gonna take this trade. So let's enter, yeah. What is our stop loss? 1.4%, yeah. So we have to use a 10x or 15x, yeah. Let's use a 15x. I'm gonna use around about 200 margin, yeah. Gonna enter, yeah. So I've entered along here for prime. I mean what? For H bar. Stop loss is gonna be, so stop loss is at 0.5725. Stop loss 0.5725. Say what? Oh, 0. Take profit. I'm just gonna chill out, leave it. Gonna leave it because it will only happen a lot later. All right. So H bar is entered, guys. H bar is entered. Okay. I'm gonna go. Thanks, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna go live a little bit later as well. I'll go live a little bit later on CoinW. I'll show you. Go live a little bit later. Where is it? Just to show you guys. Yeah, we go. Make sure you guys check this out. We will go live a little bit later. Myself, Boris, Matt, Jay. Yeah. Make sure you guys also drop your UIDs. You can also win some extra cash. But yeah, I'll see you guys. See you guys tomorrow. Make sure you guys join the Telegram groups if you guys want to join the groups. And Prime is gonna rip. Let's see. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much, guys. Bye bye.